We've got to find a way up there.
Look! These window washer elevators can take us all the way to the top of the building. Then we can help Microraptor.
Yeah, let's do it.
To make the elevator go up, we need to press the buttons. Oh no! There's a button missing. The elevator is broken.
Don't worry, I can fix the elevator. The buttons are supposed to go in this order. Pink and then blue. Now let's check the pattern on the elevator buttons. So the buttons go pink, blue, pink, blue, pink. What goes here?
Blue.
Blue, yeah. I can fix that with a blue button from my dress. There! Whoa, awesome!
Whoa! Hang on to your hard drives.
Come on, this next window washer elevator can take us even higher.
Uh-oh! Another missing button.
Don't worry. The buttons on this elevator are supposed to go red, green, purple. Red, green, purple. Red, green, purple. Red. What comes next?
Green.
Green.
Going up.
We're almost high enough to save Microraptor.
Oh no, Millie! This elevator has two missing buttons.
These buttons are supposed to go pink, yellow, yellow. Pink, yellow, yellow. Pink, yellow, yellow. Pink. What comes next?
Yellow.
Yellow. Then what?
Yellow.
Yellow. Great job, Uni friend.
To the top we